Alright, where's he king?
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Let's see my partner's.
I have never seen one that is combined, the two of them.
What did it say?
I have never seen one thing that is both washer and dryer.
Oh, they're very common in Norway.
Yeah,
But
same.
in US, it's normal to not have it at all, right? So that you have to go to like a separate place.
Yeah, you could.
That's possible, yes.
Strange.
I mean, Larso, they are not as advanced as we are.
Chewy, you
Yes.
think we can win?
What?
Let's go.
That's it. I
Pawn mates.
wasn't expecting. I'm so sorry. But
I think he was saying let's go to Puck House
Chewy,
1.
do you know that you're
Oh.
not partner to Baker?
I don't know
No,
what to
this
say
is
to that.
Baker.
Right, it is Baker.
Do
No,
you
wait.
know that he
Oh,
is
I
partner?
read the rating wrong. I thought it said 2057. Ah, my bad.
Wait, Chewy, you do not have mate if you do Queen H1, Queen G2.
Yeah. I didn't see 94. We would have won that one. My bad.
Oh, my 2000 partner is really coming in clutch.
Oh, but I just read the rating wrong, so I thought it wasn't him. Oh, fuck this.
Yeah, that's perfect. One more.
Oh, no, no,
Or
no,
rook.
no, no.
Anything, Chewy. Fine.
Bishop. Yeah. Oh.
Castle and f5.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, not a pawn.
Yeah, comes next move.
Okay.
Wow.
We had to def it.
Trades are good. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You'll probably get a queen, so don't like cash it in yet.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Maybe you don't. We'll see.
Okay. I'm just gonna keep playing.
Yeah. Knight might be good for me.
Sure.
I'm so bad. Oh, that helps. Here's two queens.
Thanks. Oh shit.
Low.
Larso, you did the very common mistake of not saying no two queens, please.
Yes. Oh shit. That's a lot of pieces.
Try not to give queen. That's fine if you have to or want to.
As long as you don't give. No knight.
Okay.
Okay, I'm giving it. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Okay.
Maybe sit.
On my turn.
So he doesn't get a dire. Okay. Yeah, just sit.
My position's pretty good.
He could do pawn f4 here though.
Bartholomew. Almost.
Yeah. It almost worked.
Should I just take f7? Actually, I don't even know if that's good.
Oh, what? With
With
knight?
my knight, yeah. Maybe it's not even that good.
Yeah, you can do whatever.
Okay.
Oh, that's really okay. You're getting these things. That should help. Do you have mate?
No?
Knight.
Just hold knight. Make things easier
Yeah.
for me. Everything's fine now.
Okay. Oh, night.
Okay. What do I do? I have no idea. That didn't really help.
Do I still have to hold night?
Just, I don't know, man. Just, no. You don't have to hold anything. Just do your thing.
Oh, okay. Then some stuff is coming.
His bishop is covering
Oh.
G2.
Yeah. I might have mate.
Yeah.
You don't have knight. Just fucking prem over.
He sacked on F7.
Oh no, not here.
Low, please. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Just play board. Whatever.
Yeah, I have no chance here.
Queen does come.
No problem. I'm fine.
That can't be right. Maybe low. You
Sure.
keep low.
These diags are
I'm
kind of
not giving
annoying.
any diag. Yeah, just go.
Okay.
Careful. He could take a knight if he really
I'm
wants
fine.
to.
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're fine. Take H6?
Sure. For you or for me?
No. No, go. Okay.
It's probably good. Just play board though.
Everything's fine for you?
Yeah,
Okay.
everything's fine.
I might have mate. I probably do.
Okay.
No, you
Yeah,
don't.
definitely do.
Oh yes, mates with
Yeah.
Oh,
You stay safe.
bits are good here.
That's nonsense. It's fine.
Trades are still good, right?
Sure.
Here's a queen. Oh. Okay. You can get another queen. Here's another. I probably have to.
But okay, but
Larso, you gotta specify no two queens.
You got to specify I'm playing against crazy prem over and I hate this guy.
I see.
No queen.
No queen.
Yeah.
Yeah. You hold two.
Yeah.
Trades are good here.
My position's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That looks awful, Chewy.
Yeah, thanks.
Can I get a rook? No, doesn't really do much.
Low is good. I have to go after the next one.
go after the next game.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you holding?
He can take rook or bishop. Or knight. Maybe not knight.
No knight then.
Sure.
Do a little tricky.
I might die to some bullshit if you keep going. I think you should just try and win.
Yeah, I'll just win.
Okay,
If you say.
sure.
I will probably get mate.
Or I guess you could keep going. Yeah, maybe
No,
you
no,
go.
no. You don't you win. Just go for the win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was bad.
That was very bad. Should I just go for the win?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just go for.
That was pretty bad.
That was pretty bad. That was embarrassing, one might say.
Yeah, I made it. Maybe I'll sit if it doesn't get anything else.
Wait, do I get anything?
If you leave, we win.
No.
Okay. Sorry. Alright, next one's last.
It's fine.
I don't want to.
Maybe I'll get stuck for you. Um,
Pawn.
you did everything. On. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Can I have that queen?
Yeah, just keep check.
Oh, shoot. No, that,
Yeah,
I
but
can't
I mean
do
we're
that.
down. I can't hold it at all.
I know. Like, we are down 3, but... Some...
Yes, we're down a lot.
I watch this masterclass.
Yeah, GG's. Sorry, gotta go.